Oi, you there, Scruffian? By God, lad, what is a coach like you doing in this field? I'm Dougal, the workman's coach. We're coming away, course. What was that, laddie? Oh, nothing at all. You're gonna love it here in the mines. Dust and coal everywhere. Me and old Johnny and all the workmen and trucks love singing and joking. You know, when we're not choking on dust. Lovely. Oh, a snobby one. Doug Jones, look at him. Hey, this'll be great fun. Great, another snobby Yorkshire. We'll shadow him. Another one. Most of us here were exiles. I was once a young bouncy lad. Came up the rails a couple times. Doug loved breaking his load, and Jones, I set fires. How? Oi, no time for chit-chat. Get to working. Dougal and the trucks watched as Sir Handel got worked to the bone. He hated working there, as his paint got scratched and buried in coal dust. The trucks wouldn't stop singing and bumping around. After about a fortnight of his internment, he spotted a stout figure standing with the foreman. Now, Sir Handel, I'm willing to let you back as long as you behave. You're on very thin ice. Yes, sir, I'll behave. Just get me away from here. Oh, look, lads, looks like Mr. Francipants didn't enjoy his stay. Yes, thanks, Dougal. You'll love to hear that Johnny is back. Johnny! Right then, Sir Handel, let's get out of here. As you wish, sir.